on, everyone? Got a 2023 through 25 BMW key fob here, and I'm gonna show you how to open it up if you want to replace your battery. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over, and notice down here at the bottom there's a button that we're gonna push, and this is gonna let or unlock this side piece that we have here. Okay, this silver side piece. So you're gonna hit the button and unlock it. Okay, but it won't fall off, it won't come off. What you kind of have to do is take this piece and slide it up and off. Okay, so it has like a little latch right here at the top. All right, so it can be a little tricky to get off, but just do that. Just push it a little bit and pull up and pull it right off. Now you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver for the next part of this, and the reason why is I'm gonna turn this over like this is that there's a holder right here for the battery, and all we're gonna do is just use our flathead screwdriver to pry the holder out. And here's our battery right here. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR 2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. Okay, like that. Let me just get a remote, just stick this back in here, slide it in here, and we are done. All right, you notice that this is the hard key here that'll open up the door. If you ever have to get into the door, the battery's dead or something, we just get our metal side piece here, slide it back on, locks on, and this is a really nice remote. And we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate if you'd hit that like button for me.